Nick Rudder from McKees37.com. I'm excited to showcase a brand new product that I've been working on for a long time, and that's our N-914 Rinseless Wash and Wax. This is a new take on an old favorite because for years we've sold our N-914 Rinseless Wash. This has become a fan favorite with consumers and detailers because it provides a safe, effective way to wash your vehicle while only using 2 gallons of water. It's a rinseless wash. There's no hose required. This is strictly a cleaner with no protective or gloss enhancing ingredients. So what we did with the N-914 Rinseless Wash and Wax is give you another alternative, something that's going to clean equally as well while also depositing a high-grade carnauba wax protection that will significantly increase the gloss of your vehicle and making it super slick. Like the original, you can wash your vehicle using only 2 gallons of water. That's how a rinseless wash works. You wash and dry one panel at a time and you work your way around the entire vehicle. This provides added versatility for the winter months when you don't have access to a hose and you can wash your vehicle in the warmth and comfort of your garage, or if you're at a car show, or if you live in an apartment complex, or even a city, state, or country where there's water restrictions and you're not allowed to wash your car with the hose. 2 gallons of water, you can clean your dirty car. Here's how it works. So I have my Carolina detailing cart, which I use for every detail. This stops me from bending over, which is perfect because I've actually had some minor back issues lately. So while I've always appreciated the Carolina detailing cart, I really appreciate it now because I'm not bending over to reload my wash mitt. The height is perfect where the bucket is. I've already got 2 gallons of water in there, and I have my grit guard insert at the bottom. And this formula is very concentrated. It only takes 1 ounce for every 2 gallons of water. Each capful is a half an ounce. Dunk it in there. And like every other product that bears the McKees 37 name, the new N-914 Rinseless Wash and Wax smells fantastic. I'm going to use my grit guard insert to stir it up. And the way a grit guard insert works is it goes at the bottom of your bucket, and when you take your wash mitt or wash sponge after washing a panel, you agitate it against the grid, and the dirt and grit releases and it's trapped in these fins. And that prevents the dirt from being swirled back up in the bucket so you're not grinding dirt and grit away from your finish. And we developed the Big Gold Sponge specifically for rinseless car washes. It's the super soft gold foam. It holds a ton of solution and it has these cross-cut grooves and slots that trap and hold dirt and grit away from your vehicle's finish. So I've added my solution, I've stirred it up, and besides the rinseless wash, N-914 Rinseless Wash and Wax also makes a fantastic quick detailer spray wax. So you'll have a bottle of water like this. This is our 36-ounce detail bottle, and you're simply going to add a couple ounces, and you can use this as a standalone spray wax or quick detailer, or what I like to do is I'm going to use it as a pre-treatment before I do the rinseless wash, and I'm also going to use it as a drying aid. So follow me. I've got my solution here, my sprayer's on. I'm going to shake it up, and by spraying the panel first, it's going to help loosen any dirt and grit to help prevent scratches. So I'm going to spray it on. And this formula is safe on all exterior surfaces. It smells really good, and this will provide added lubrication. This is not necessary, but for the cost of a spray bottle, which is a few bucks, it's inexpensive insurance to keep your vehicle swirl and scratch free. Take my Big Gold sponge, just soak it in there, and this guy holds a lot of solution, which is exactly what you want. The more lubrication, the better. And if you look at this Cadillac here, it's an XT4. You know, it's looking at YouTube and reading the comments over the years. They say, hey, well, it's not that dirty, Nick. You should be cleaning a lifted pickup truck that just went mudding. In the real world, I wouldn't use a rinseless wash for a vehicle that's really, really dirty. This Cadillac has not been washed in 2 weeks. It's ceramic coated with McKees 37, so it doesn't get that dirty to begin with. But this method is safe, it's effective, and it's considerably less time consuming than a traditional wash. So I got my solution here, and I'm simply going to move the wash sponge back and forth in one direction And as I do this, I'm going to squeeze it a little bit each time, and that's going to release more of my cleaning solution. And I normally do one panel at a time. I'm going to flip the sponge over and do the other side of the hood now. And with this vehicle being ceramic coated, the dirt and the grime comes off so easily. And there's a number of different methods for using a rinseless wash. Some guys like a sponge, some guys like a towel, some guys like to use an old dish rag. It's all personal preference. We developed this with this wash technique in mind, so in my opinion and my experience, this works best by far. After you wash a panel, you're going to dry it using the Glacier 1100 drying towel. This is 1100 GSM. It dries it one pass. And reaching back for my detail spray / spray wax solution, I'm going to use this as a drying aid. Right now it's May in Stuart, Florida. It's about 85-90 degrees. My cameraman is sweating his butt off, and this will help prevent any water spots in the paint. Because this is a horizontal panel, the sun's baking the solution, and doing this real quick, it's going to help add some gloss and also take care of any real light water spots that might be forming while I'm sitting here yapping like a teenage girl. I spray it on, and you can see how easily this dries. Only 1 or 2 passes with the drying towel. Now when we do this side, my cameraman's going to get up a little closer, and you'll see I'm going to spray it with my diluted solution. I've got my drying towel here, my Glacier 1100, and check this out. Look at that. One pass, and it leaves the paint clean, it's slick, and it's incredibly shiny. And N-914 Rinseless Wash Wax can be used on vehicles that are not waxed at all. They can be used on vehicles that are ceramic coated, and everything in between. So it's an environmentally friendly way to wash your vehicle. You're going to add some real wax protection, and most importantly, it's fun. So check it out at McKees37.com. We have a kit that contains everything seen here. You can purchase the N-914 Rinseless Wash Wax in a 32 ounce or a gallon size refill. Thank you so much for the support. I'm going to repeat this process panel by panel until the entire vehicle has been cleaned, and then I'm done. Take care, God bless, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.